Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Thursday. Bihis na ako, nag-ready na ako. Kala ko alis kami ngayong umaga, hindi pala. Mamaya pa palang hapon. So pagising ko, nag-half bath kasi parang I feel sticky ba. So ayun, nag-half bath and everything. Nagbihis, I'm ready to yung suot ko today. Hindi ko pa inayos yung bangs ko. So dyan na muna siya sa side. So ito yung pa-OOTD natin today. Tadan! Makikita nyo yung aking belly. Today is, ano na ba ako? 14 weeks and, sige, go lang ng 14 weeks and 6 days. Yeah, Friday na ta bukas na. So tomorrow I'll be 15 weeks na ako bukas. So yeah. May gaob ko diya sa likod do. Ba't ko din nakuha na nga? Gaob. So, may tayo bruise there. Kain na tayo, guys. I think the food is ready. So, ito lang ang aking suot today until later. Nakabihis na ako. Ako na talaga. Kaloka. Kaya, nag-skincare lang ako. Wala pa akong nilagay na BB cream sa face. And, ginamit kong lip tint. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ito yung binili ko sa BLK. Water tint siya na palagay dito. Girls Night yung shade Lip and Cheek Water Tint. Ayan siya. Ito yung nirecommend ng BFF ko. Si Patria. Ayan o. Meron talaga siyang dyan sa loob ng lips. Nag-stay talaga siya. But, ganda ng kulay niya. Nagustuhan ko siya.
I was talking to you and I was using your camera.
Sorry, what did you say?
I was using your camera and I was talk.
Okay, can I just tie your hair? Sabi ko, bihisan ko din si Mia. Buti na lang, di ko pa siya nabihisan, guys. Ayan. So, maganda yung pa-light mirror natin dito. May light siya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Ito yung pa-vanity niya, yung Tita Pearl dito. Alright. So, dito lang tayo sa vanity niya. And let me tie your hair quickly. Yung mata niya talaga, pag sinisipon, parang wala na siyang mata kasi, nagluluha. Ganyan siya pag sinisipon. Okay, labas na tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin. Ayan. Our tummy! Diba? Ayan. Tayo na mag-15 weeks. Bukas. Tara, kain muna tayo, guys. Kaon ta! Breakfast, Mia! Lunch na to, breakfast. Ano ba? Brunch. Hotdog siya. Dinuguan, hotdog. We still have this, takwan, and bangus. Kain tayo. And of course, our favorite drink, the coconut juice. Kain! Tingnan niyo itong dalawa, guys. Hindi ko alam saan pupunta. Where are you going, Mia?
Sa balay namin.
Makadto ka mo sa balay nyo? You gonna go to Quen's house? Yeah? Yan siya, naka-glasses, naka-hat. I don't know. Where's your house, Quinn? Wow, look at you. Oh, wow. Bye. Come back later. Put your hat on. Where are you going? Put your hat. Put your hat properly. Hindi sa makadubay. Hindi ka magkadto sa gwa, ha? Oh, holding hands pa sila, kag. Oh, where's baby? Oh, baby Ren, oh. Oh, Ren, hindi mo chinilas. Hindi ka makadto nga duha. Where are you going? Oh, very hot outside. Pag-glasses nyo. Yeah, you like it outside? Put your hat, Mia. You're not covering your face. Put your hat. Diba? Sige, lakat-lakat lang sila dua. Oh, no, no, no. Don't go there. Dangerous, maybe. Stay here lang. Oh, there's chickens? Ay, ambot na lamang. Ay, diri lang ka mo. Stay here, oh. Malagbong na sa sulod. Hindi nyo na makuha. Mia. Mia, it's gonna drop inside. You can't get it out.
No, I'm playing with Quinn baby.
Yeah, that's Quinn sis. Oy, kitay mo buli. Gustong-gusto niya yung baby Rin. Si Rin, si Quinn. That's sister of Quinn. Ah! Tapos may isa pang baby dito na bagong ano talaga. Bagong anak. Sabi niya, it's so cute. Umalis pa sila kuya guys. Pumunta sila ng market. May bibiling mga food. Ha? Oh, peekaboo. Cute. Hello. Dito sila sa room. Hi, Ren. Are you taking care of the baby? Oh, you're such a good ate.
Can I have this chocolate?
Ay, chocolate na naman. May mga stock dyan si Tita Pearl niya, oh. Mga dinala namin. Yeah, she can have one.
This is Quinn, and I'm getting my one.
Oh, wow, good sharing.
And this is mine too.
Good sharing. Friends na sila ni Quinn. Kinukontra niya niyan kahapon pa. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Open? Open?
And also,
Binigay ito ni ng kay Auntie Sharon. And now, binigay ni Auntie Sharon sa kanya. O, diba? Pasa-pasa lang. Dali lang. Only one left there.
I'll be having the last one.
Okay, can you chuck this in the bin for me, Mia?
I'm having the last one.
Oh, chuck this in the bin. There, under the chair. Thank you. Give your sister. Okay? Hala. Okay, eat on the floor. Eat down on the floor na in the bed. Thank you. Good listening. Ay, okay. Sit down on the floor. Okay, para hindi mag-messy. Mia, go sit down. Sige, sit down ka mo. Very good. Kaon tayo, guys. Lunch na. Late lunch, actually. Kasi late din yung breakfast namin. Ano na? 2:10. 2:10 ng hapon. Kain tayo. Cordon bleu. Cordon bleu na, no? Si Mia mag-ano na lang. Tinola. Pawis na naman siya, oh. Kain tayo, bibingka guys. So, dinis nga bibingka sa pututan. Ay, hindi. Diri lang. Ayan, dito sa dingli. Pero madami pa. Kaya lang batok yung iba guys. Ayun o. Pero try natin kasi gustong-gusto ko kumain ng bibingka. Ganyan siya.
Juniper. Yung mga rin yan
Okay lang. Pero iba talaga yung ano. Mas manami pa tayo sa Australia. Diba? Sa Haro, nakakawid doon. Madami. Okay lang guys. Kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Mangga! Sige ako makain watermelon. Yummy, my love? Kain siya watermelon. Yummy? Matamis yung mangga.
Mommy, that thing was talking to Cat War, and now
Hindi pa ba ito meron?
Higit kanina pa na siya mas unsa.
Hindi na ito na version.
Ha?
Hindi. Bilo. Challenge na. Lamig-init. Baka sunod.
Nawala sa balhat. Wala sa frame. Yung tudloan niyo pa ko. May sabaw? Ah. Ay, okay na? Oh, rhino. Okay, finish. Okay, let's put it in the sink. Thank you. Finish. Okay, give it to mommy. No more. Oh, thank you. Wipe your face, Mia. Where's the tissue? You're welcome. Finish? Go get your, go play with Quinn and Ate Alexi. Where are they, Alexi?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you.
Ito yung mga nilondry namin kahapon pagdating namin dito. So, tutupiin na natin silang lahat. Let's go tupi-tupi. Lagay ko kayo dito.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me.
Mag-ready tayo. Kaka-re-apply ko lang ng water tint. Girls Night. Super pink pala talaga siya. Oh. Yung parang dark pink. Yung parang Barbie na kulay. Yan. Anyway, ano tayo? Garnier tayo. BB cream. Your Barbie. Tapos na kami magtupi. So, mag-ano tayo? Mag-ready. Kasi pupunta daw kami ng, ano tawag? Tunoy sa Kaduan ta? Plaza? Do Plaza? Do Plaza daw, guys. Sa Pututa na siya. Ang tawag. Wow. Kanta-kanta si Mia. Pasigahon ta na yun. Ayan.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Fantastic. Fantastic. You can rest right here. It's me everywhere. Imagination.
I love your singing. Oh my gosh. Sabatian mo siya kakanta. Wala tawaan niya lyrics, yeah? Sing again, sing again. Let Tito Janjan hear your lyrics.
No.
Hear it, Mia.
Oh my God.
Mia, look.
Hear it.
No boy. Hala, may banana queue pala tayo dito, guys. Oh, banana queue, Noy. Oh, diba? Tayo nang may banana queue. Mainit pa to kanina. Kailan nagtutupi pa kami.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie
So, kumati siya. Yung lyrics.
Let's get Mia. Let's get upside down. Upside down.
Imagination.
Upside down.
Wala to ako natindihan siya lyrics, yeah. Imagination.
My Barbie now, you can use my collar. Okay. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Blue.
Di na may net.
Blue.
Ay, tayo natin na yung skin tipic. Bukas na lang. Ano ba tayo bukas? Friday? Yeah, Friday. Try natin yun. Magbe-beach daw kami bukas. Try natin yung skin tipic. Wow, tawa-tawa siya.
Oh, sorry. I'm a lion. Hey!
Again, sing again.
No.
Sing, Barbie.
No. And this side of the next
I'm a Barbie girl. Yes. Where's your tag?
holding my hand.
Okay.
You sing together.
No, I'm not.
Sing with Ate Lexi. You sing na with Ate Lexi.
Yeah, Mr. Lexi, why did you have your hand?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me.
Okay.
I'm a Barbie girl, and the Barbie world, fantastic, fantastic. You can brush my hair, kiss me everywhere. Congratulations, I'm a fucking nation.
Come on, Bobby. Nana, Bobby. Oh. Is that the right one?
No.
What's the right one?
Why, you just ruined song.
Everyone does.
How you can do that?
I'm sorry. Okay,
I'm
so
doing the one that's correct.
okay.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Fantastic. Fantastic. You can brush my hair, dress me everywhere. Imagination of a fucking nation.
Yeah.
Let's do the next one.
Okay, what's the next one?
I don't know. It's the way you say it.
Come on, Bobby. Let's go, Bobby. Like that? Yeah. Good job. That's the right one. I-roller ko na lang yan, guys. And then done. We're ready. Where's Mia going? Where's Lexi going? Oh. Let's go to Plututan. You wanna wear seatbelt? Bye-bye, Queen.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to.
Dito na kami naglalakad sa Pototan Plaza na lang. Pototan Plaza. Si Mia naantok sa car. Pagka ano talaga namin, malapit na kami, nag-close ng ice. Sabi ko, ay malapit na tayo, andito na tayo. Ayan, tuloy wala siya sa mood. Gusto niya magpabuhat kay kuya. That's the fountain, but there's no water. It's not working. That's the carabao. Carabao is a national animal of the Philippines. Sama namin si Lexi. Sarap na hangin dito. Malamig ng konti. Ay, may basketball doon. That's the carabao. That's also Rizal. Sino na? Mabini?
No, that's near the Pototan.
Ay. Iba. Sige. Inaantok talaga siya. Naiwan ko yung camera ko, guys. So, phone vlog tayo.
Look where we are.
Shamay. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ay lang guro ako, no? Basta di ko kaya. Or ikadua, or ikatatlo. Try na may ikatatlo. My goodness. Ang dalawa, tingnan nyo. Oh, umupo na sa upuan. Si kuya bibili ng fishball. Ano bibili niya? Ayan. Kain tayo.
Yeah?
Kain kayo. Mia, kain. Ano yung drink?
Hindi ko santo. Wait, ito kaos yung gulaman. Juju yung kaos yung gulaman.
Ay, hindi na gulaman. Ay, ba siya?
Nasuyok lang siya ito.
Be careful. Sit down na. Kain tayo, guys. Ito talaga sa kabila. Ito na yung mga in-order ni Manu. Ano yung fishball? Tapos, dynamite. Ano ni cheese ring? Ano ni? Lumpia. Okay. Kain kayo, guys.
Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let's run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you want to, promise you we will
Bok choy again today. Kain tayo. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Mio. Nanap niya yung baby. Saan ang baby? Ano? Antok na siya eh. We gotta go shower soon. Uy, what are you looking? Kaon. Yes, baby.
Come in the room with me.
Come what? In the room?
Yeah.
Why? What are you gonna do? No, we cannot eat that much anymore. We already have enough today.
I want red
Kain tayo,
one.
Bok choy.
But I just only want red.
Hmm?
I just only want red. I just only want you to cut it only in the top.
What is it?
Cut it in the top.
The what?
The top. Cut it in the top. I want the red one.
Red
in
what?
the top.
Kahit may pabaka
I need to cut it in the top, Mom.
Promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
Kain daw siya cereal. Cereal lang yung gusto kainin, guys. Meow, may sutanghon, oh. Iwanda bihon. Wala na pa natira. Kain tayo lansones. Busog pa ako pero gusto ko kumain lansones. Ako na talaga. Tita, may mga lansones. May mga fruits na ha. Kuha ka mo. Ayan. Kain tayo lansones. Kaligo na pala kami, Mia, guys. Ayan siya. Kain na siya dito. Oh. Inuubo siya. Ay, ba, pinaglaruan pa. Drink properly. Ubus niya man yung cereal niya, guys. Ayaw niya mag-rice. Gusto niya lang cereal. Dali. Finish? You want more? Don't wipe it. Kakaloka. Ice cream tayo, guys. While watching Netflix. Nanonood sila Netflix. Si Mia tapos na kumain ng cereal. Ubus na ubus. Which is good. Ito yung ice cream na paborito ni na Kuya. Ito yung kinain namin kagabi. Selecta na mango. Ayan. And then yung queso Rio. Masarap din yun, guys. Queso Rio, yung cheese siya na flavor. Sarap siya, in fairness. Mamaya, kuha ako nun. Ice cream. What are we watching? Ano yan? What's the ano noy? Si Mia, oh. Tara, kain tayo ice cream. Clex Academy. Bago?
Wanna leave everything behind if you wanted to. Promise you we will be alright if it's you and I, you and I.
Ay, hindi. Parang ang lalaya posing. Nabuang na. Ala.
Mommy, isn't it so pretty?
Yes.
Is that on my shoulder?